We are finally at the ferry terminal. Is it called terminal or stop? I'm not sure. You let me know in the comment below. After that long walk, oh my goodness, I'm telling you, this park is really huge. It's from one end to another end for this ferry. The ferry here runs every 25 minutes. So if you kind of like miss the ferry, you gotta wait for another 25 minutes for the next ferry. Well, that is what I did because I just missed the ferry, the one that you saw just a while ago. Yeah, I missed that one. They kind of like do have a schedule for it, but the schedule sometimes is not reliable. So this is the ferry. I don't know. I don't think I wanted to ride the ferry because there's nothing. I mean, you want to go around here, right? Do you? Or do they go some other parts as well?
Same as me.
Thank you. Well, I lied. I did took the last ferry, and I was saying that earlier on. It's because it's so hot. Oh my goodness! The weather is good. It's nice. Don't get me wrong. It's really nice out there with pictures and all that. But it's super hot that it makes me feel lazy wanting to do anything at all. It's a small ferry, right? So right there. And that's the captain, maybe? I'm not sure. Look at the boat. Thank you. Must have put. Oh my goodness. I want to sit here, but it's so hot. How? Let's sit here, but it's so hot, everybody. Master point. It's moving now.
Welcome aboard the Royal. As required by Transport Canada, we wish to advise you that firefighting equipment is provided on all decks and locations shown on the plans posted in the main deck accommodation. Lifeboats and other life-saving appliances are located on the boat deck and, if required, will be lowered by the crew to the water for boarding from the main deck. Life jackets for both adults and children are stowed in clearly marked boxes, and instructions for their use are shown on both passenger decks. To don a life jacket, pull it over your head and tie the tapes tightly at the neck and around your waist. While on board the Moy, please ensure that there is no running and no sitting or climbing on ship side rails. Furthermore, please note that smoking is not allowed on board the Moy at any time. In the event of any emergency, please follow the directions of the uniformed crew. Thank you for listening, and we hope you enjoy your visit to Heritage Park.
Oh, so breezy, so nice. It was so sunny a while ago, but right now it's nice and breezy. Look at the clouds. I think I see someone fishing. Is someone fishing there? Yeah. Maybe.
Cheers, us.
Thank you.
Thank you for the That's actually bigger than.
Thank you.